Hi, I'm BreAnn Fennel, one of the training and development specialists for the Teach Better team, and I just wanted to spend a few minutes with you guys to tell you about some opportunities that you could apply for to come to the Teach Better conference. And this is all about creating a project for Donors Choose. So when you go to donorschoose.org, if you have made projects before, if you haven't, that's great. You can also sign up for donorschoose.org. For this project, we're going to pick professional development. You're going to tell them about your students, how many students you have, and if you're collaborating on this project with anybody. When you go for what you're going to do, we are going to be putting in the Teach Better Conference website, and I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. When you go to the Teach Better team website, you are able to open this Eventbrite link, and you're able to take this and copy and paste this link into your Donors Choose project. Once you do that, it's actually going to generate the price for you, and it's going to also put in all the other information that you need from the Teach Better team. If you are coming for 2 days, you are going to change the actual price that comes up in the Donors Choose project to $349 for the 2 days. Then you have the 1-day registration on Friday or Saturday. So you want to make sure that you pick which one you want so that the price on here reflects what you want to come to. So we have the Teach Better conference already loaded up here. There's some different fees from Donors Choose. So then you summarize what you want in your cart: 2 days of professional development from the Teach Better team. You classify the project based on what you are going for, like some of the sessions that you're interested in attending. You make a really catchy title here, and then you talk about your professional development. Now, this is going to be specific to you. So like examples of maybe different sessions you want to attend, why you want to attend those, and then how are you going to use that with your students once you return to school. You pick the subject areas based off of which sessions you are going to, but here's some examples. Based off of some of the things that you are interested in attending, and then you save and continue. So all in all, this is going to just take you a few minutes. You're going to use language from the project from our Teach Better site, teachbetterconference.com. So it's going to be super easy for you. There's a 2 times match on all professional development projects right now. There is also a match on August 9th. All projects are going to be matched. So if you have this done and ready to go in the next couple of days, if you have any questions, you can email me, BreAnn@teachbetter.com, and I will be happy to help you with any of this so that you can attend October 14th and 15th. Thanks so much, guys.